Hey everyone, this is Rick here at 5-Star Processing, and I'm going to go over how to integrate your merchant service account with your Billsby account. A lot of people wonder how to get it done. You just got your merchant service account approved and you need to get set up with Billsby. We're going to go over step by step on how to make sure you're all set up correctly so you can start taking payments today. All right, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need to do is log into your authorized.net account. When you log in there, you're going to need to get your API credentials. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit account once you log in, and you're going to be able to access your API credentials right here. So you're going to go to API credentials and keys. You're going to create a new transaction key if it's the first time you've done it, and you're going to click submit. Now it's going to request a PIN from you. Once it says a PIN, it's going to provide the information below. You're going to want to make sure you have your login ID and the information. Now keep this in mind. Make sure you save this somewhere private. Now, if you at any point you do any updates to any third-party softwares, for example, like Billsby, and you change this information, you're going to need to update it in Billsby, and I'll show you how to get that done. All right, so now you have your API login. You'll have your security code. You'll log into Billsby. Once you're in there, you're going to click login, and you'll see it right here in the front. It will say Payment Gateway. So you're going to click Payment Gateway. And once you click Payment Gateway, you're going to click Authorized.net. Now, before we do Authorized.net, I'm just going to give you a quick information on NMI. Now, there are other gateways out there like NMI. It's does its own thing, very similar to Authorized.net. With them, the only thing that you're going to need is your username and password that you have with NMI. Now, let's go into Authorized.net. You're going to put 5-Star Processing. And right here is where you're going to put your transaction key. It's going to let you add the gateway. Now, once it lets you add the gateway, you're going to want to go into settings. Once you go into settings, you're going to configuration. All right. And once in here, you need to make sure that the currency that you have listed, there you go, 5-Star Processing, is in USD. You're going to save it and make sure it's correct. Now, you'll know on mine, I do have NMI. If this is the first time you've done it, you won't see anything else other than your 5-Star Processing. But if you do have a different gateway, you can list what gateway that you want to have in there, and you need to make sure that you put your currency as USD. Once you do that, you're going to hit save the game information, and then from there, you can continue to go through the rest of the steps to go live. And if you want, Billsby does have some great customer service, and you can chat your way through it, and they can help you, go live and start taking transactions from your clients. Again, this is Rick here at 5-Star Processing. Hopefully you took the time to take some notes, and if you didn't, you can watch this all over again. In the meantime, please hit subscribe below. If you have any more questions, please reach out to us. Thank you so much and have an awesome day.